minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignitions, engine full power. Go NROL 69, go Falcon, go SpaceX.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Slick 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. Coming up next, the vehicle will be passing through max Q, which is the point in the mission profile where the vehicle experiences the
Falcon 9 power and telemetry are nominal.
The greatest amount of aerodynamic.
Falcon 9 is supersonic. Max Q.
Great call out there for max Q or the payload at the request of our customer.
Main engine cutoff.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition.
Stage 1 boost back startup.
And a good series of back-to-back callouts there and views, which again were MECO, stage separation, SES1, and the boost back burn. Coming up shortly, we should hear a callout for fairing separation, but again, as a reminder, we will not be showing it on screen.
Saved.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing bird.
We are now waiting for Falcon 9 to land at landing zone 1.
Landing leg deployed.
And back shutdown.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And there you heard the call out for a successful landing of our Falcon 9 rocket. This was the second launch and landing for this first stage.
Nominal orbit insertion.
As a reminder, we will not be showing any Stage 2 or deployment views at the request of our customer. So with that landing of the Falcon 9 booster, we